These are great wide mouth tall mason jars. They are 7 inches tall and 3 inches wide. Come with a vacuum sealable lids, cleaning brush, and some stickers to label your products. They're very good quality glass. I like them. We're going to be using them for lots of things. This is also good for if you have an immersion blender. What we do is make our own buffalo hot sauce, and with the butter and then the Frank's hot sauce or whatever hot sauce you like, you can put the immersion blender straight down in here and then close it up and it's all ready to go. Of course you can use it for lots of other things, but that's what we like to use these type of jars for. They're really nice quality. I like them. I think you might too. Thanks for watching.